at Daytona. We got about 15 minutes before they're going to throw the final checker flag.
Those are going.
This is not really our group, but I don't think they're going to care. Last 15 minutes of the day.
Let's see if we can sneak out there.
Thank you. We'll take as long as we want, buddy.
Yes.
Tell me we got 10 minutes.
If we get 3 laps, we get 3 laps.
That's right.
It's a photo op.
Try and make us come in.
So, did you see where the accident happened? The collision?
No.
So you could see all these skid marks right here?
Yep.
That's it.
That's it right
Hit
there.
the wall. Yep.
Wow.
That's it.
Well, the orange Camaro's still out there.
Can you catch them?
We'll find out.
It's a Z01. You have a Z01.
All right, back on track, baby. Ready over there?
Nope.
Pretty there.
There is, but he's way back there.
All right, gonna get the tires warmed up here a little bit. I can't believe we almost missed this. We would have been so mad.
It's just a Corvette behind it. He won't pass us. By the way, I heard you do a no-lift shift when I was following you.
Oh yeah.
I can hear it.
You can tell for sure.
Yes.
You can tell for sure. All right, there's that orange Camaro. Let's go.
Did you run with the AC heated seats? What do you call it?
Yeah, turn on those cooled seats.
Cool seats. That's nice. Hey, that Camaro's getting away from me there, Tom.
Not for long.
Is there a reason for that? It's the pedal
that
on
big
the
brake.
brake.
Oh man, that's way too much braking area. Wow, we gave up a bunch.
You like these brakes, Tom?
I'm being super conservative with you in the car, Jim.
Why? You want to damage me?
Here we go.
You gotta catch that orange Camaro.
There's our 172, Jim. Not doing any more than that.
That was 172.
Not doing any more than that. That's it, dude. That's all you get.
Man,
You want 173?
I do.
No! No!
Hey, why don't you trade this thing in on a Z06? A C7 Z06. I heard that's a pretty good track car.
That's the car, baby. That's the ticket. That's the ultimate Daytona car. Actually, the ZR1 is.
That's true. They're so expensive nowadays.
Nice and smooth, baby. Nice and smooth.
You should use all the track. You left 4 feet over there.
I know.
You are catching up to the,
Slowly but surely, very slowly but surely.
yeah.
Use all the track.
Let's hope we don't run out of time. Okay,
He's
you've
got all
one
that
lap.
He's got all that stinking down for us, Jim.
What?
He can't do it
No,
on the
it
high
slows them
banks.
down. You got 1 lap to catch them. Because you'll probably get the checker next go around. Come on, it's getting away. Camouts.
What's that now?
I didn't think you could catch the orange Camouts.
Oh, Jam. Oh, ye of little faith. Look at that. We got another lap.
Come on, no checker, no checker. Yeah, we got another lap. Yeah, baby. He's backing his flags up.
Yeah.
He's going to wave his hands like this and say, that's it, that's it.
Compressor out on the air conditioning, Jam.
I know.
Just because you want air on.
I do. All right, luxury, comfort. I paid good money for this ride. Wait a minute, what did I pay you? Oh, now the AC went out.
Early.
You can lose concentration.
I know, I looked up that car, you're talking.
I didn't know you were that easily distracted.
Yeah, it's called inattentive driving,
I
Jam.
wish I had a water bottle filled up with the dashboard like I do teenagers.
I do too.
Let's see how you react to it.
Why don't you pull my parking brake while I'm driving?
Yeah, there's a button over here. Alright, this might be the checker.
This could be it.
This could be it.
Is he reaching for it?
He's not even moving. Alrighty, we get another one. Yeah, baby.
He's
Yes,
just looking at us. Wow, I can't believe it, man. Just for you.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay. You need to be at 126 at this stand on the right. 126. 126. See the flag? 162. 162 the flag. Right about now. On our way to 182.
172 is all we got, baby.
Oh, man. Put an undersized pulley on this baby.
Yeah.
Increase the boost. Headers. Camber plates.
There's some rigging. Oh, Rebestos, Rebestos, Rebestos. Thank you, Rebestos.
Nice no lift shift. Sad to say, we gotta get the checker this time. Because these guys want to go home. He still ain't moving yet.
I cannot believe it.
Wow.
I
Damn. like it slowed down.
It did. Well, it maintained. It just barely maintained. Sometimes it loses a mile.
Wow. That's crazy. Wow, that's terrible.
We are literally shutting this place down. It is terrible, Jim. I was very, very disappointed.
Yeah,
Very disappointed.
I agree.
Has he got the checker out?
Nope, he doesn't. There's no way we're getting another
I
lap.
can't. This is nuts. There's nobody else out here.
David's going to get an extra bill for an extra 15 minutes for $1,000.
Oh, there is another car.
There it is. There we go.
There he is.
Time.
Lights.
Time to go home. I bet we got maybe 6 laps.
Oh, I think so.
You know?
What a hoot.
That's awesome.
Yeah, nothing like driving Daytona with your best track buddy. And I may never drive Daytona again without the air conditioning on. Am I right?
Oh, yeah.
What are we doing?
Yeah, I agree.
Oh man, we're just cool as cucumbers in here.
I agree.
Did we lose anything?
No.
I don't think so.
No. I thought the compressor would short out, burn up, bearings gone.
I know it turns off at like I don't know, 4,500 or
Yeah,
I've heard that. I haven't Googled it, so
I felt it, but you can feel the residual air still kind of cool coming through.
right. Yeah, because it was still passing over the condenser.
Yeah.
What a great event, man.
That was cool.
I mean, it's frustrating. Really, none of us met our goals, but that's all secondary, right?
It is.
Primary is fun. Does it feel like we're crawling?
It does. We're going 100.
So
hey.
you drove up here at full speed.
What?
What?
You did what?
You drove up there at full speed?
No, under yellow. They went like 150.
Oh.
Yeah, not full speed. I want to see what it's like. That's scary. That is the scariest part of the track right there.
Well, yeah, and there's all that crap there, Jim. That's just insane to do that.
And no, it wasn't. It's under yellow. I was going slow.
Hey, should we go out in the middle of the grass and do some donuts?
Hey, it's your ticket. Yeah, it's your fine. Look, there's nobody's left. The cones are gone.
I know.
That's a mannequin right there. It's not a real person.
They rolled up the carpet, man.
They did. Hey, somebody's got to be last. Oh no, there's one guy behind us.
Tell them thank you.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. We got 2 lanes.
Somebody's got to close the shop up. It had to be us. What a hoot, dude.
That was cool.
That was a blast. I cannot believe we were sitting there in the paddock thinking that they were going to call us.
I know. We're busy talking.
And,
hey, bud.
And time was up. We got 15 minutes in, which is about what we wanted to do.
Yeah.
And you didn't think I'd catch the orange Camaro. Please.
No, I only said that just for effects.
Please. The 1LE, or I mean, yeah, the ZL1 1LE.
Yeah, because you said we only had 10 minutes out there. I figured it'd take you 12.
We passed him in like 4 minutes.
Oh, 4 minutes? No, 4 laps.
Scared him to death.
I didn't know if he had a passenger or not, but
He gave us a point by Jim.
that's sweet. By the way, I saw 3 Dog Night on your playlist.
Yeah.
Guess what CD is in my car right now? 3 Dog Night.
What's a CD?
Oh, jeez. Tom, way back when.
What's a CD, Grandpa?
It's called a Combat. I mean, my car's a 13.
Yeah.
It's 10 years old.
All right.
I thought you asked her what's 3 Dog Night.
Thank you, Lord, for a great event. We had a fun time. We're all safe. What a blast.
Yep, what a blast.
Daytona 2023 comes to a close.
I was here first, and
Yep.
look,
Yep.
here last.
You're the Alpha and Omega, as they say. I'm gonna pull up here because I gotta get my cred.
Three Dog Night
Yeah,
Radio.
yeah, yeah. So my playlist, here, we'll stop this so I can show you.